else but fucking me? Like, yeah, I have this huge target on my head or something, dude, and they're all just fucking right towards my fucking head. But I mean, they're all standing next to me.
I got murder on my mind, yellow tape around his body. It's a fucking homicide. His face is on a t-shirt and his family's traumatized. I didn't even mean to shoot him.
Build, you fucking whore. Yeah, dude, sure. Dude, I'm getting fucking third-partied, and I'm getting focused by this one guy. I don't know how it could get any worse. Like, I'm playing a solo game, not a fucking squad game. So can we, you know, maybe play a solo game, not a squad game? You know, I'm just confused on that. I have 2 airplanes flying towards me. I have a guy fucking just spraying me down with the AR, like he just doesn't see anybody to each other, not shooting each other. But they go for me. Only me. Only me. And then every shotgun shot I shoot, it blank shots, because the guy's lagging. The guy has some shitty ass fucking internet. So I don't hit my shots, but he does. Cool, dude. I mean, it just gets better every time I play this game. It's like the funnest fucking game out there right now, dude.
Hey, bitch. Take your time.
Oh, I'm getting shot from behind.
Bitch. It ain't your turn yet. Oh, it is.
Oh, dude.
Oh.
Taking minis.
Your teammate, because their teammate's being a bitchy gonna stick.
You should pop your slurp and then fight him. I'll go fight him. Oh.
He healed. He healed. I'm leaving.
No, don't leave.
He healed. I healed. He healed. I'm leaving.
Nice octasional. Yeah, this guy's good. This guy's a beast. He got his homie up. Let's go, dude. Even if he did take some hit. Did you die by?